if you're experiencing login errors on Discord, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow this guide to help you regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct email address and password. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Your Password link to reset it. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. If you are using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing login issues. After clearing, restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily. Sometimes these services can interfere with your connection to Discord. Step 5. Update or reinstall Discord. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Discord app. If you are already updated, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the app to fix any potential issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login errors on Discord. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Discord support for further assistance.